Alright, this is going to be a live video lesson, and I'm going to just continue making a part in Autodesk Inventor. My students are in class. Say hello, students.
Hi!
Yay. So we're going to make this part. This is figure 6.58. So go ahead and fire up Autodesk Inventor. Uh-oh, that's not what I wanted. This one. And start a new part. Alright, so we have a part that's in inches, and it's 3.78 by 2.24 by 2. So start a sketch. Click on the XZ plane. Make sure that you, make the top view right side up. Gonna draw a rectangle that is 3.78 by 2.24. 3.78, tab over. I forget my dimensions, 2.24. Finish the sketch. So now we're going to extrude that by 2 inches. Click extrude. Make that 2. Press enter. Alright, now I can start cutting away all the unnecessary parts like it's shown here. Let's start by cutting away this angle here. So that's at a 45-degree angle. And it is, I need to find this dimension here. Where is that at? Oh, you know what? So we go over 0.5 and then angle. Alright, so on this surface, right click, new sketch. I'm going to draw, so project geometry. Click on the line tool. Click and drag out a line just like that. Click dimension. Find the point and the corner. Make that 0.5. And then click dimension. Click the top line and then this line. And make that 45. And that gives us exactly what we need. I'm going to click X to trim here. I'm going to finish sketch, and hopefully that'll let me extrude cut this out without making a full triangle. Nope. Let's try that again. There we go. Yeah, this is in inches. Okay, so we're going to extrude cut all. And click OK. Our next step will be to, I think it'll be easiest to just cut out these sections here now. So let's go to the bottom of the part, right click, new sketch. I'm gonna turn it this way. And this is over 1. So let me just draw a rectangular shape. So it's over 1. It is 1.14 wide. And it is 0.54 thick. Okay, let's these need to be lined up, so I didn't expect that to happen. So I'm going to click coincident constraint, click the line, and click on this corner point so that they line up. Finishing sketch, extrude, cut all, and click OK. So there's that this part right here. So now we're going to cut out this corner. Again, flip it over, underside, right click, new sketch. Gonna project to geometry and draw a rectangle in that corner. That is 0.76 and 1. So this is 0.76 and the distance is 1 here. Finish sketch. Extrude cut. All. Click OK. Yeah. I think what we can do next is cut out these angles on just one swift motion, or one drawing. So go to the back side of the part and you sketch it. Project the geometry. And let's see, so from the corner over it's 0.74. So from this corner over, draw a angled line. Dimension from its point to the corner 0.74. And then that angle is 45 degrees. So from the top to the line, 45. Trim. Okay, so now you have this back angle. What we're going to do next is this section right here. So I'm going to draw, I don't want to snap to anything, so I'm just going to draw a line like this. And the dimension from the point to this point, it's 1.12. And the angle is 30, so from the top to here, make that 30. And from the bottom to here, it should be 0.74. 0.74. 91, that's awesome. That's actually really good. You can't retake it. That's okay. It's a live video lesson. So we're gonna finish sketch, extrude, oopsies. We're gonna cut this out and we're gonna cut this out. Almost done. Almost done. What do you think, Steph? Yay. We just gotta cut the this hole right here. It's only going down 1.25, so the diameter is 0.625. And project geometry, bless you. The diameter is 0.62. No wait, 0.625. And it is from the center point to the bottom is 0.62. From the center point to the right side is 0.76. Finish sketch. You're going to extrude cut that a distance of 1.125. I'm going to upload this now. So here we go. This is the part. Yeah, you're on the video. What Hi guys! So this is figure 6.58 tool holder. Save your part and create your technical drawing for this.